Severe thunderstorm warning information. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Gosper County, southwestern Dawson County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north Holbrook, or 28 miles southeast of Tritus, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: Automated Weather Station. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cozad and Willow Island. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 216 and 233. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Johnson Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Dawson and Gosper.